Okay, y'all, so I'm about to revive this wig. I have not curled this thing since the end of October of last year. In this video, I'm going to show you how I bring this wig back to life. So I'm going to start off by washing her. I just wash it with some moisturizing conditioner. Oh yeah, by the way, this is one of my crochet wigs using the Kufi Cap. This is actually the very first one that I did. And the Kufi Cap uses a thicker kind of thread, so I'm going to have to hang her up and let her dry for a couple of minutes before I throw her on my wig head. I let the wig dry for about 30 minutes and now I'm about to hit the wig with the blow dryer. Now I'm only doing it this way because I want to take some of the coarseness out of the hair. I wore this wig as like a curly afro type of wig, but now I want to soften the curls a bit, so I'm just going to blow dry this hair. And as you can see, the heat is changing the texture of the hair. This is what the wig looked like after I got done blow drying it. It's still coarse, it's still yucky, but it is a bit softer and it does have a bit more swing to it. I did add some more hair for length. I added some more of the coarse hair, which is this Jamaican twist braid hair, Molly hair. That's what I normally use when I make my wigs. But I just wanted to add some more length because I can tell that when I curl this, it's going to be too short. And then I'll be looking like Ronald McDonald, and I ain't trying to do that. So I needed a little bit more length. I just added it to the back and to the sides, a little bit in the middle, but other than that, I didn't do anything different. I'm about to add some either flexi rods or perm rods. I'm still trying to decide, but yeah, that's what I did differently. If you noticed a difference in this wig, that's just what I did. I just added some hair to it. I ended up going with the flexi rods. I used the ones pictured on the screen. I just wanted a looser curl. I feel like if I would have used perm rods, my curls would have been too tight. And I want to put bouncy curls into this wig this time. So I'm just showing myself putting the flexi rods into the wig. I didn't do it in a particular way, but as you notice, I am using two different size flexi rods. I do this because I don't like uniform curls. I don't like all of my curls to look alike. Like anytime I'm wearing curly hair, either the sizes of the curls are all different, or if I'm wearing pre-curled crochet hair, I will mix the different types. For example, Free Tress has a go-go curl and they have a beach curl. I'll mix those two together, and to me, mixing different types or styles of curls or using different size rods or rollers when you're custom curling your hair, it usually turns out looking more natural than it does when you use all of the same type and size of curl, if that makes sense. Okay, as you can see, I'm finished curling this wig. Now I'm about to go throw her in some boiling water. And y'all, when I do this, I've said this in another video before and I'll say it again, you do not want to leave that hair in the water long. I only leave it in maybe no more than 10 seconds. Otherwise, if you leave it in too long, it's gonna turn the hair ashy color. So please be mindful of that when you are custom curling your crochet hair, okay? Okay, y'all, and as you can see, I am touching this extremely hot wig with my bare hands, but I got them old country hands, so it don't matter. I wanted to make sure the curls were nice and dry, so I let this wig dry overnight. Now you're about to watch me take the flexi rods out, and then after I get done with that, I will show you how I comb out and fluff the hair and how I shape it to my face. Now this is the point where I finger comb the curls. I just pull them loose by starting from the bottom of the curl and then going up. This way it avoids making the curls tangle up. I don't ever comb my curls out using an actual comb, definitely not a brush. I don't even care if the comb is a large tooth comb, because using a comb to fluff out curly hair tends to over fluff and make the hair look frizzy. When you pull the curls out with your fingers, you just can tame the curls better and you have more control over how they look. Now I'm almost done shaping the wig. That's what I'm doing first. I like to do that on the wig head before I put it on my head, just so I can make sure the back is full and none of the net is showing on the crochet cap. This is what it looks like after I got done finger combing it. Now, it's hard to tell what the wig is actually going to look like until you put it on your head. Sometimes the wig head doesn't do it any justice, but the fun part is putting it on and shaping it to your face so that it looks more like how you want it to look. Okay, so before I put the wig on, let's talk about this bonnet. Now, in my last crochet wig video, I had someone comment and say that I should line the Kufi cap with satin so that the cap is not rubbing on the hair. And I'm like, I'll do you one better. I'll just keep on my satin bonnet and then put my wig band around it and just wear my wig on top of it. And y'all, I really cannot tell the difference. My hair is not sweating underneath it. The wig doesn't feel tighter. It just feels more secure, actually. And now I know for sure that my hair feels truly protected underneath this wig. Now you're gonna watch me fluff and frame this wig to my face. If somebody's watching this who's new to wearing wigs, most of the time when you put a wig on your head, it never looks right. Like, you have to play with it until it becomes cute on you. Like, you just have to play with it and not let the hair overwhelm you, okay? Now, this is just me playing with the hair, fluffing it and framing it to my face. And this process usually takes me about 10 to 15 minutes. All right, so this is when the wig started coming together for me. I'm like, okay, I like this amount of fluff. I like the volume. I like the length. And y'all, she is super cute. I love that the curls are swinging. They look all bouncy. In a moment, I'll show you what the wig looked like prior to me refreshing it. But first, I'm about to show y'all how secure this wig is. Now, I'm about to look crazy throwing this wig around, but I do get the question of how do you secure it? And literally, I just have my bonnet on and my wig band on, and it feels secure, which is crazy because as secure as it is without using any kind of pin or thread to keep it on, it doesn't feel tight. So I don't understand that, but whatever. Anyways, now I'm showing you how it looks with the hair parted down the middle, which I think looks super cute. But now I'm about to show you what the wig looked like before I brought this wig back to life. It was a coarse afro. Like I said, it had not been curled in 3 months. So yeah, but now she's super soft, super curly, and she probably will last me for about another month before I have to curl her again. But anyways, just want to share this with anyone who is curious on how I refresh my wigs.